If you already have existing products, you can import, but let me show you how to create a new one. Click Create Product, and then fill out your product information. I'll keep this toggled on, Included Online Store, so that we have the option to pull our product into other GoHighLevel features later. For this first product, I'll enter the podcast episode sponsorship that we've been working with. If we enable product label, we can give this product a tag. I'll call this a new item, and maybe we want that to show for the first month, as we're just beginning to offer this sponsorship. Right now we don't have a product collection, so I'll choose nothing here. And then for product tax category, you'll want to consult your local tax professional for setting these up correctly. If we scroll down, you can select some product media. Here we can upload a product banner. I'll click Upload and select the banner. And then Insert. And then you can click here to jump down to pricing. You can change the type and the amount. And we can show this as a discount. This is also known as strike-through pricing. And then we could add a variant. In this case, maybe it's a block of episodes at a discount. If you have different courses or physical items, variants become important. We can then add a search engine listing if we'd like. I'll leave those blank for the moment. And then you can add a product handle. And I'll click Save. Now we can go back and we'll see our product here. Now this shows as a physical product type. It's not super clear how to change that, so let me show you. Click Edit, then scroll down all the way to your price. Then click here. Now we can scroll down again. And under Shipping and Delivery, change this to a digital product. Then click Save. If we go back to products, product type is now changed. I'll enter a few more products, and then we'll look at subscriptions and invoices. Now that I have a few more products in, let's look at how we can set up a subscription. I've set this YouTube coaching product up differently. Let's open this and scroll down to the price. Here, under pricing type, I've changed this from a one-time price to a recurring price. You'll need to do this for any products you would like to use in subscriptions. Let's come up to the Subscriptions tab and then click Add Subscription. Here you can add a customer. Let's choose Bob again. My YouTube coaching always starts on the first of the month, and then I can select the product. Because my other products are only one-time purchases, you won't see them here, but we will see the YouTube coaching. Then we can scroll down. If we had a card already on file for Bob, we could choose it here, or we could add a new card. Then you can enter the details and save this card for the future if you would like. Because this is a demo, I won't schedule, but this is where you would go and complete the order. Let me click Cancel. And cancel again.